Okay, so I got the pump installed, and I want to show you a couple things that I had a problem with. So this bolt right here, this banjo bolt, this is the bolt right here in the back. That's the return. Goes into here. This bolt right here is shorter. You have to use the 603, the mechanical pump bolt. You cannot use this one. It's too long. That's the first thing. This thing right here, lift pump. This is the 603 that belongs to this pump. I did not use it. I used the 606. And then one more thing. I'm sure a lot of people know this, but I had a problem with plumbing. I've seen a lot of videos and they quickly go. The video just says, you know, put this there, put this here, put that, you know, quickly, and it's kind of hard to understand, so I'm going to break it down to whoever needs this. This line right here used to go into the fuel heater. So this line right here is the supply from the gas tank. Goes in. It goes into this fuel filter housing. The fuel filter housing is made out of two parts. So this is the filter and this is a separate room. So when the diesel comes in here, it goes in there, comes out of that hose, which nobody talks about, and then from that hose it goes into the lift pump, into the first port. It goes into the lift pump, and then that line goes into this, the very first one. So it goes in, it goes through the room, comes out of that fitting, goes into the lift pump, lifts up the fuel, shoots it into this line, fills up this filter, then it goes into this line and it fills up the fuel pump. And this is the return, which is right here. So that's how it is. This is the way it's gonna stay. So I had this pump set at 10 degrees, and when I start the engine, I have to kind of hold the throttle like that to keep it running. So I'm not sure what happened. Either I need to set it at like 14, 13, or it's something else. So it runs, but I have to give it gas. Maybe it's the idle screw. Maybe I have to adjust that. It does run. It runs pretty good, but the engine seems to rock a little bit back and forth. So I'm not sure what that is all about. So I'm gonna, well, I know that this pump works, so now I can just go ahead and take off the engine and install into the Audi. Okay, so this is the transmission that I got for the project. I took off the throwout bearing. That's how it was. I completely shredded the clutch. I took everything just in case I need the flywheel. I'm gonna get a new clutch. I'm gonna get a new pressure plate, throwout bearing, and I'm gonna see if I can put that on. I read some forums. I talked to some people, and they say that this fits. This is the same transmission that Mercedes SLK 230 uses, but I took this off of a 2004 Chrysler Crossfire. It's the same thing. They all use the same transmission. So here it is. It's a 6-speed. It's actually not that big. It's really compact. So I got everything. I got the drive shaft. Got the transmission support, pedals with the I guess that's master cylinder because it uses fluid from the same reservoir as brakes. So yeah, this is what it's gonna be like. I'm gonna take off the engine and I'm gonna see if this fits. So it has two slots. It has this one, well, I guess cut out, and this one. So if I'm correct, the starter can go on left side or right side. So yeah, so that's it.